Hey Ricky, so this is your Facebook page. I wasn't able to find a website for you, um, but it looked like you're around the Atlanta area. So I typed in floor contractor Atlanta. Top results will be ads right here, and then you got the GMB, and then organic uh, ranking. Grabbing this guy, popping him up. Uh, he doesn't have all that much content on his page. He only has 381 words, so it'll be pretty easy to beat. Google loves contents. The more words and the better you'll be for ranking. The more content you have. The next thing, you also want to make sure you have keywords organically in the content. The next thing would be these images. Those are all links. Let's find an image. That's an image right there. He probably doesn't do it right. Nope. You'd want this saved as a keyword. You won't want it saved with anything unless it's a keyword. It just helps you get another keyword for on your website. Let's toss this guy in Ahrefs. He's got 25 URDR0, so he's got a bunch of spammy backlinks going on there. So it's not really helping him there, but it doesn't look like it's too hard to rank for the first page over in Atlanta for this stuff. But anyways, you can come in here and grab backlinks that you like. Not all backlinks are created equal. You want to go after the ones that are high DR and high UR. You don't want to go for spammy ones with low scores. You also want to make sure that you go after ones that are relevant to industry. You would want ones in the flooring industry, not like deep sea fishing or deep sea diving or surfing. You'd want flooring industry ones. Let's see. Let's say we like this one. We can search and see how we got this one. This looks like it's from Yahoo search. It looks like it's just coming from Yelp. So you could try to figure out how to get this one. I was probably just from the directory on Yelp, and then Yahoo search is giving him a citation for it. Yahoo local. And then you could get that yourself. So it's just coming from Yellow Pages. But yeah, then you can go get the competitors' your competitors' backlinks as well. Then you can also go to Google and find blog commenting, blogs, guest posts, and sponsors and website news. News articles. Basically anything that'll link back to you, but you want to make sure it's relevant to industry and not spammy. Next thing is keywords. So let's go on and see what this guy's ranking for. Flooring, Atlanta, Georgia. 90 volume, 42 KD. Not sure how he's got the number 2 spot with that one. I didn't think his website was all that good, but 42 KD, it's a pretty high, and it's going to take a while to rank for. So this guy probably has a bunch of. He's probably just has a lot of age on his domains that helps him. As I would have to check into more and figure out why he's number 2. Let's see. Flooring Atlanta. That's another 42. Carpet insulation right there. That's not a bad one. 80 volume for KD, so that'd be very easy to get and start ranking for. Flooring insulation Atlanta, 15 and 11. That's pretty easy as well. Carpet installation Marietta, Georgia, right there, 100 volume, 0 KD. So if you do carpet installation, you definitely want to, and you do that city, you definitely want to toss this into your on your website or saved with an image. Georgia hardwood. Nope, it's not really. You could grab that. It's a statewide keyword, but it's I'd like a little bit more like cities, like location specific. But you'd probably get a fair amount of those coming from Atlanta. But floor installation Atlanta, 50 and 4. It's not bad. That's actually pretty nice. Flooring contractors Atlanta, Georgia, 60 and 9. That was good too. Atlanta commercial flooring, 40 and 1. That's a good one right there. And you basically just come in here and find all the ones you really like and add them to your website. and then start ranking for them. Obviously, the higher volume you'd want, and you'd want lower KDE, but you could go after higher KDE ones too. It's just going to take longer. If you do hardwood floor refinishing on Atlanta, that's not a bad one right there either. Next thing would be the GMB. If you don't have one, set one up. It's free to do. You want to make sure you set it up 100%. You don't want to skip steps. And then you want to make sure you add as many photos as you can. Photos are what the content is. You want to make sure it's has keywords saved within the photos. And then you also want to make sure you get citations. Citations are just directories, like Yellow Pages, Yelp. You can get them off Yahoo. You can get them off the BBB. Facebook you can get one from there. You can get them several different spots. You want to make sure your name on your GMB and the citation directory is the same. You also want to make sure the phone number and the location. And then you can get yourself a citation and start ranking in the GMB. Hopefully that helps. If you want, we can talk on the phone or do a video chat. If not, thanks for watching. Have a good rest of your day.